cloud bread. How do you make cloud bread? What is cloud bread? Well, here is the ingredients you need and the directions that I used. I was seeing the recipe and I wanted to try it out and share with you guys my experience on cloud bread. I got all my ingredients at Walmart. Here's me preparing and mixing everything I need to mix. I followed the directions. Pause the video, go back, read the directions. I followed the recipe precise. Here's what my cloud bread looks like after it's out of the oven. Not very appetizing. I didn't like how it looked, so I turned my cloud bread into cloud pizza, it was decent. It was actually kind of decent this way. I made little pizza bites, and I prefer it this way. I did not like it just plain. It does taste better for a little pizza sauce, a little pepperoni, and it's healthy. So try it out and see how you like it. For Christmas, I made Crockpot Christmas crack. First time I ever made it. And here are the ingredients. Here's the directions. Simple, short, easy recipe. Here's the ingredients I used. And you just layer it up. You put your peanuts, your chocolates, and you put almond bark on top. You put it in a crock pot, and you let it set, and you occasionally stir it. I did make this for Christmas. We had a bunch left over, and I will always make this every year for Christmas. It's very fattening, but it is so good. It is so delicious. I recommend you making it. If you make candy for your family, friends for Christmas, make this recipe. Make it. I cannot stress enough, make it. It is the best decision you will make. Look at all this I have going on in my kitchen. And the delicious results afterwards was amazing. Love it. And the last recipe in this video is homemade gingerbread Christmas tree ornaments. You need lots of cinnamon and applesauce and parchment paper. You literally mix it all together and you keep adding a little bit of flour. I did add a little bit of flour just to make it, not so sticky, and you just keep adding cinnamon and then you can roll it out and make your ornaments. Do not eat them. Do not eat them. Do not let your pets eat them. Do not let your kids eat them. Do not eat them because it's so much cinnamon. But you can decorate them. They'll harden. I put mine in the freezer to let them harden a little bit, and look how cute. I use cookie cutters. I got all my ingredients at Walmart and the dollar store. I recommend going to Dollar Tree to get your cinnamon because it's a lot cheaper. And I'm showing you again, you mound it up, and you just keep rolling it until you get a dough. And you just press it out and put your cookies. That's all you got to do. Simple and easy. Kids will love them. I love doing them, and I'm 28 years old now. So it's a very fun activity to do for Christmas. So hope you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up. And as always, guys, mwah,